I see now how precious life is. I'm not going to try to control things. I'm just going to let go and let her live. I had some bleeding and there was a couple times I had to go to the triage because I'd had these bursts of bleeding and cramping, and I thought I was having a miscarriage, but they told me it was a subchorionic hematoma and that it would resolve on its own and eventually I would stop bleeding. Turns out my water had broke. Probably 14 weeks is where we estimated it. The ultrasound tech actually had this really horrible look on her face. She said, "Have you been leaking any fluid?" And I just immediately started crying. Me and my husband didn't speak a word all the way home. I was just sobbing. Me and him both decided right then that we were going to, put it in God's hands. We wanted a second opinion, and we were going to talk to one other UK doctor. So they set us up to talk with Dr. Hansen, who was like the chair of the high-risk maternity team. Without even speaking to each other, we knew that she was on our team. I said, "What do you think this baby's chances are?" She said, "I would give it a 10% chance that the baby will live. If you're telling me that you want to carry on with this and you know all of the consequences and how hard it's going to be, I'll do everything I can to take care of you." From the time we found out there was a problem, I had the high-risk maternity team following me, Dr. O'Brien, Dr. Hansen, Critchfield, and Playforth. And then when Natalie was born, the resident, Dr. Gomez, Natalie had to be resuscitated. Her APGAR score was a 1 at birth. It was a teamwork, definitely, the nurses, doctors, and then the neonatalist, Dr. Desai, is the first doctor that was on when Natalie was born. And I'm very thankful for that. And now I have this beautiful, happy little baby. She's had physical therapy, a speech therapist, occupational therapist. Her vision therapy we started a couple weeks ago. She's in an early intervention program. And now I thank God every day. She made me believe in miracles.